We'll guide you through how to convert an Excel file to a Google Sheet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and so I want to go and make this into a Google Sheet. We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. Perhaps you have been working on this yourself, but now you want to go make it a Google Sheet because you want to go and share it with somebody else who uses Google Sheets. We're going to guide you through how that is done, or there may be another reason. So to go and get started, just make sure you saved it. So you can press File in the top left, go down in the left and press Save As, and you can press Browse. In this case, I'll go and put it on my desktop and I'll go and name it what I want. I can name it Exam Data 26, then press Save. Now, once you've gone and saved it, you can go and close out of it. We're now going to need to open up a web browser. So I'll open up Chrome, but you could use a different one like Edge or Firefox. You can come to google.com and come to the top right and make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, press sign in. You can sign into your account. You can always use another by pressing the account currently signed in the top right, and there'll be an add account button. I already have another added, so I'll press show more accounts. I could press add another account or click here to go and switch. Once you've got the right account there, you can then press Google Apps in the top right. Now go and scroll down and you need to go and find Sheets. I may have gone past it there. As you can see, here it is. Now, what you can do here is you want to come over to the right of the list and you're going to see this folder icon and you want to go and hover over it or say open a file picker. You can go and click on it. Now you can come over to the right to upload and you want to go and press browse. Now we need to go and locate the file. So here it is, exam data 26. We've got it selected. I'll go and press open. It's now uploading. Go and be patient and it's now going to open up. And as you can see, we've now uploaded it. And what you can then do is you can go and start using it in Google Sheets. That's it. We can now continue working on it.